In the ever-evolving landscape of the modern workplace, the essence of success transcends traditional metrics. It resides in the smiles of our team, the synergy amongst our practices, and the diversity of our perspectives. At Hitachi India, we foster an environment where every team member is not just an employee, but a vital part of a supportive family. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI, are integral to our sustainability strategy. By embracing diverse perspectives, experiences, and backgrounds, we fuel innovation and find sustainable solutions to address challenges of the society. Hitachi actively works on equity, ensuring equal access to opportunities for all. We are dismantling barriers and creating an inclusive environment where everyone can contribute their best. As we evolve, Hitachi is striving to become a DEI-led organization in our quest to build a sustainable society.